Hello friends, in yesterday's video, I talked about non-custom hearing protection, and today I want to talk about custom-made hearing protection. And there's a couple of different kinds, so we're going to go over those. Of course, depending on what you choose, it's going to have different noise reduction ratings. Remember, the higher that number, the more hearing protection it's going to have. The way that we choose custom hearing protection really depends on what you're going to be using it for. So for example, we have sleep molds. So perhaps you sleep next to someone who snores, or you just have a noisy house or live in a noisy neighborhood. And when you go to bed, you want to reduce some of that ambient sound. Sleep molds are perfect for that. We also have swim molds. So perhaps you're an avid swimmer, or you just swim in natural waters like lakes or ponds where there can be bacteria. Swim molds are great because it's going to reduce the moisture or the water that gets into your ears so that you don't get an outer ear infection. We also have motorsport ear molds, and so those are designed to be worn underneath the helmet. Of course, we want to keep your head safe as well as your hearing safe and protect your hearing while wearing the helmet. And then we also have musician plugs. Now, these are my personal favorite. I love musician plugs. They have a special filter in there that the noise reduction rating at all the different pitches or frequencies is the same. So you get to really still enjoy the nuances of music, but at a safe level. Now, the maximum noise reduction is with a solid plug. This can be used for any kind of hearing protection. The downside of this type of plug is if you're using it for communication, everything kind of sounds like this. Everything's just a little muffled because the noise reduction rating in all the different pitches or frequencies is different, unlike the musician plugs where it's all the same. So you can still have conversations easily, but everything is just turned down. So that is your custom-made non-electronic options. And then of course you have custom-made electronic options. And this again is mainly for our hunters and shooters. These devices actually have amplification. We have different levels of technology, different levels of amplification. So for my hunters or shooters that do have a hearing loss, but now want to protect their hearing, these are great options because you can program it a little bit to the hearing loss. And then again, when a loud sound is presented, a gunshot, the electronics are going to cut all that noise to protect your hearing. So I hope this was helpful. If you are needing a provider to find some of these options for you, please let me know. I will help you. Please, please, please protect your hearing. If you're mowing the lawn, snow blowing the driveway, using a power tool, going to a music concert, you should be protecting your hearing. All right, friends, I hope this was helpful and have a great day.